Hey everybody, Colin Reed here at MarineMax in Charleston, just off of Daniel Island. Would like to walk you through this brand new model that we just got in here today. It's a 2024-21 Montauk from Boston Whaler. As you can see, it is a full hull color light blue with our chrome graphics. As you look through the boat as well, you'll notice we have a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. As you often see from a Whaler here, it is equipped with a heavy duty ski post. Boat is powered with a 200 Mercury V6 engine, as you can also see is in white. Here at the back of the boat, we have these jump seats that will easily stow away, as you can see here on port and starboard. We have an upgraded leaning post on the boat as well, with a live well aft. So you can see the light blue signifying the live well, as you will often see in our Whaler products. Have rod holders here in the back, along with rocket launchers up top on the hard top that this boat is equipped with. We will have flip down bolsters, whether you'd like to have one up or one down. Boat is equipped with a 9-inch touchscreen from Simrad, along with JL audio speakers throughout the boat. As you can see here as well, we do have our trim tab system with LED indicators on either side. As we move through the boat here, it is equipped with a head, you can see down below. Boat is also equipped with a cooler seat up front. Very nice space to ride on this 21 Montauk, along with nice bow seating throughout. As you can see, we do have the cushions out in place. We do have removable headrest here, easy turn into rod holders if you'd like to stow them away. Along with all this seating we'll remove and stow away very nice to reveal a very nice casting platform. Boat is also, as you can see here, equipped with a trolling motor plug, if you'd like to easy plug and play a trolling motor. If you'd like to take a look at this boat or anything else that we have here at MarineMax in Charleston, please feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. Again, I'm Colin Reed, and thanks for watching.